Hello, you never seen snow before, have you? Not really gonna be a hunting or fishing video. We're just gonna walk around, check out the scenes. I think the creek might be frozen over. Let's go check it out. What do you think, Jake? What do you think? Huh? Oh, here it comes. Woo! Whoa! Hello. Come on, Bo. Come here, Boo. Come here, Boo. Are you kidding me? Get out of the creek. Come here. Jake, come here. Hey, come on. Is that Bo? That's Bo. No, that's Bo. Jake, come on, you dummy. What are you doing? Get out. Come on. You're insane. You are insane. Bo, no. Boaz, come on. Come on. Leave the vlog. Leave the log. Okay. Guess labs are gonna be labs, huh? Well, go help him, Jake. Go get it. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that was unwise. Unwise. Look, you're already frosting up, buddy. You're already frosting up.
Dove froze to death. Check this out. Banded.
This is how thick the ice is. That's pretty thick.
Before I leave, I'm gonna see if I can even get out of the neighborhood. See if the truck even starts. It starts just barely. All right, well, fortunately I can kind of see because my windshield wipers aren't working. All right, let's go. Oh, look, my cracked. Gosh dang it. There the dog car, watching me go. It looks like I'm the first person to attempt this. Good stuff. Here, let's stop and get out and check out the creek. So my side of the creek is a little frozen right here. Just a little. And this side is a little more frozen. I'm headed to work right now, but thought I'd tag this on the end real quick. Downtown Austin. It's had time to kind of settle down a little bit. Power's on down here. Everywhere else, down Congress and stuff, lights were just out. The street lights were out. Everything was out. How's it going? Uh-oh. Back it up. Back up. All right, here's Highway 290. One giant lane headed westbound right now. And there's a truck. Are they wrecked out? I'm not gonna slow down too much because one, it's their problem for not driving correctly. Two, I don't want to get stuck here. I don't know if he was waving to me or what, but I waved back. All right, anyway, let's keep going. Major update. 4 degrees. I repeat, 4 degrees. Further out into the country we get, further down it goes. I mean, it's pretty. Wow, this light's actually working. All right, well, I couldn't stop. Oh, well. Bam! I thought it would at the bottom of this big old hill. Big old hill. That's gonna go back up to 2. Oh, we did it! Woo! 0 degrees! And never seen that in Texas before. All right. I mean, it's off of a 2005 F-150 with 350,000 miles on it, but it's still probably accurate enough to go by. That's what we're doing. Cool. It's not exciting anymore. Creek is completely frozen over. Oh, Bono's over here. And also, you see those signs right there? No fishing from bridge. Private property, no fishing. Oh man, these tires, I tell you what, they do a dang good job in this snow. All right, I'm coming, Bo. Jeez. We're home. Jake's got his foot up for some reason. Is it cold or is he? Oh, he ain't limping. Maybe he's just concerned. Man, my crack has spread all the way over there. Come on. Oh well. And here comes old Boaz running up. Woo! No. What? Did you just go on the truck? What are you doing? Yeah. All right. Well, back to yesterday, Chase, who already shot an outro. Here, Bo. Come on. Jake, what are you barking about? Hey, buddy. Not really a video. I just wanted to show you all the snow. Hey, buddy. Don't knock the camera over. I just want to show you all the snow and the weather and stuff, because it probably won't happen again in a while. For a while. Anyway, I'm going to put the camera down and go play with the dogs for a bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.